Today we're going to make a healthy crunchy chickpea snack which you can eat instead of your normal crisps or cookies or whatever you normally snack on. We're going to use 1 can of chickpeas which have been well drained and dried with some kitchen paper, a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder and a teaspoon of chilli powder. If you have a favourite spice you like, you can use that. So you might want to use paprika or cayenne pepper, or you could just use salt and pepper. The choice is yours. Into the mixing bowl, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then into that we're going to put a pinch of salt. Tablespoon of cumin powder, teaspoon of cumin powder, sorry, don't put a tablespoon in, it'll be very strong, and a teaspoon of chilli powder. Just going to mix that round. Smells very nice already. And then into there we're going to just tip our chickpeas and we're going to coat them in this nice spicy oily concoction we've made. Make sure they're really well covered. Don't want any chickpeas to escape from a coating. Okay, they look pretty well covered to me. We're going to lay them onto a baking sheet in 1 layer. And tip them out. Stray chickpea, and we're just going to flatten them so they're in a nice flat layer so they can all get heat around them. Okay, now they're ready to go into a hot oven. I've preheated the oven at 200 degrees and they're going to go in for approximately 20 to 30 minutes depending on how crunchy you want them. So after about 15 minutes I'm going to check them just to see how they're going. Here are the lovely crunchy chickpeas. They've been in the oven for 20 minutes. They smell lovely, they look lovely. I'm just going to let them cool down a little bit before I try one. They're delicious. And they'll keep in an airtight container for 3 days. That is if you've got any left after the first 5 minutes.